Okay, welcome to today's video. So this is Evans teaching class, and this is a Waec question we are going to be solving today. So if you are new to my Facebook page, I will urge you to follow my Facebook page, and if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I will urge you also to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you have access to interesting videos like this. So let's solve this Waec question, and this is an OBJ. The smallest particle of a substance that can exist on its own and still retains the chemical properties of that substance is. Now, this question is talking about the smallest particle of a substance that can exist. It's not saying the smallest indivisible particle of an element. It's not talking of atom. If you even look at the option, there's nothing like atom here. And you know that compound is the combination of two or more elements which are chemically combined together. So it means compound cannot be the what? Cannot be the answer. Ion is an element that carries charge or group of atom. So just like radicals is just like substance like SO42 minus. These are radicals. And ions, you have cations, you have anions, we have, and so on and so forth. So we have two types of anion, of ion. We have cation and we have anion. Anions are negatively charged, while the cation are positively charged. And cations, they are like sodium ion, potassium ion, and so on and so forth. So, but if you look at this question here, they are not talking of anything like charges. So our answer here will be what? Molecule. So our answer here is what? Molecule, because a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that can exist on its own and still retains the chemical properties of that substance. So the answer is what? Molecule. Now look at this question. They said consider two atoms represented as 16. That is, there's something you need to know, that when an element is written like this and you have A on the top or you have Z below, the A on the top here, it represents the mass number. Why this Z? It represents what? I just use Z as a letter. So Z, it represents the atomic number or number of proton. Or what? Number of proton. Most of the time they use number of proton. So there's something you now need to know, that mass number is equals to proton plus neutron. That is the atomic number plus neutron. So you need to know this. So it means here they have given us the mass number already. Look at the question, but they are not even telling us to find the neutron. But I just say this so that when we get here, you'll be able to know what to do. So this is what we are going to now do. They said consider two atoms represented as 16, 8, 17, 8. So this is what? Element Y. This is element X. They now said the difference between the atoms is in the what? Number one, they said number of protons. If you look at the number of protons, both of them, they have 8 as the what? Number of protons. So it means option A is automatically wrong. They now said there are kind of differences. Now neutron, number of neutron, and you know that neutron, look at neutron here. So it means neutron will be mass number minus proton. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it means the neutron here is what? 16 minus 8, that is what? 8. 17 minus 8, that is what? 9. So it means that what? Number of neutron is what? Is not equal. So it means the difference between this atom is that they have what? Different number of neutrons. So you can say option B is the answer. They said number of protons and electrons. Now there's something you need to know, that element that doesn't carry charge, elements X and Y, if you look at them, they don't carry charges. So there's something you need to know about elements that don't carry charges. When they don't carry charges, their number of electron is equal to their number of proton. The case where their number of electron and number of proton will not be equal is in the case of this. Look at this question 3. Look at it. So when we get there, I'm still going to explain. So it means both of them, since the 8 is the atomic number, that is the number of proton, it means the number of electrons also will be what? Will be 8. So it means option C is also correct. And they said electron structure. Yes, since they have the same atomic number and the same number of proton, so they will have the same electronic configuration, because electronic configuration is like, you know that it is 8, right? 8. If you want to write the electronic configuration, it will be 2 8s, and the second one also it will be 2 8. So they will have the same electronic configuration. Even if you want to draw it in this way, they will still have the same structure. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see now? Can you see now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So can you see now? So they will still have the what? The same structure. So if you draw this second one too, it will have the same structure. We have the same structure. So that's just the main logic. So, and if you can like, if you like, you can like, so that it will be balanced. It will not be as if we leave both sides. What I'm trying to say, I hope you understand. So you will leave both sides like this, so that it will be balanced. So the answer here was option B. So that's the right answer. So option, this is wrong. This is wrong, because they have the same number of the same number of protons and electrons. Let's go to number 3. They said the number of electrons present in. Now I told you that number of electrons will not be equal to number of protons whenever an element carry charges. And if you look at this element, it's what? It carry charges. Now there's something you need to know. When an element gains electron, this is what we are going to do. For example, this phosphorus, you know, it has a proton number of 15. Now it gains 3 electrons. So it means whenever you are now finding number of electrons, it gains. You are not going to use this minus. You will not be saying 15 minus 3 to get the what? Number of electrons. You are going to use English. When you gain electron in chemistry, you will what? You will carry negative charge. When you lose electron, you have what? Positive charge. You are not going to use English. When you gain, what do you get? Positive. Now this is what you are not going to do. This 15, you will now add it to these charges that it carry. You will now be what? Plus 3. Don't say because it is minus, you now go and say minus 3. That's wrong. So it will now be what? 18. So the number of electrons present in this electron is, in this element, is what? 18. So that's just it. I hope you understand. So now adding being, they said 3 plus, so it means it loses electron. It will be what? 15 minus 3, and that will be what? 12. I hope you get me. Adding being doesn't carry electron upstairs, it will be what? 15 directly, but it carries electron. The number of electrons will not be equal to the what? Number of proton. But unlike this place where it doesn't carry anything, and I said the number of proton will be equal to number of what? Electron.